Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about terpenoid chemistry. I have already uploaded one video on terpenoids. So, I would like to suggest you, please go through my previous video and then this video will be more beneficial for you. So let us start GM dialkyl group. This topic is also important for short type questions. So Ingold pointed that a GM alkyl group affect the stability of terpenoids. GM, you know the GM word, geminal or vicinal, you know. GM alkyl group affects the stability of terpenoids. He summarized these results in form of a rule called GM dialkyl, which may be stated as GM dialkyl group tend to render the cyclohexane ring unstable, whereas it stabilizes the 3, 4 and 5 member ring. This rule limits the number of possible structure, enclosing the open chain to ring structure. The monoterpenoid open chain give rise to only one possibility for monocyclic monoterpenoids, that is the paracymene structure. You know the paracymene structure. Benzene contain isopropyl and para position CH3 group. You can see here. This is the paracymene. Most of the monoterpenoids are derivative of paracymene. My friend, bicyclic monoterpenoids is contain a 6-member and a 3-member ring. Ingold also find out that cyclopropane and cyclobutane ring have chain dimethyl group to render themselves sufficiently stable. Thus, closure of the 10-carbon open chain monoterpenoids gives 3 possible bicyclic structure. You can see camphor, pinene and kerene. So 6 plus 5, 6 plus 4 system and 6 plus 3 system. You can see all 3 compounds contains GM alkyl, dialkyl. You can see GM dialkyl, GM dialkyl, GM dialkyl. So what is the classifications of terpenoids? Most natural terpenoids hydrocarbon have the general formula C5H8-N. They can be classified on the basis of value of N or number of carbon atoms present in the structure. So you can see serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of carbon atom 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, more than 40. Value of N 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and more than 8. And then class. If you have the number of carbon atom 10, value of N2, the class monoterpenoids. And the formula of monoterpenoid is C10H16. Sesquiterpenoids, carbon 15, hydrogen 24. Diterpenoids, carbon 20, hydrogen 32. Cisterpenoids, carbon 25, hydrogen 40. Triterpenoids, carbon 30, hydrogen 48. Tetraterpenoids, carbon 40, hydrogen 64, carotenoids, and polyterpenoids C5H8-N. So now this is very important for your objective examinations. You just remember value of n and the class. Now classifications according to the number of rings. Each class can be further subdivided into subclasses according to the number of rings present in the structure. Acyclic terpenoids, they contain open structure. Monocyclic terpenoids, they contains one ring in the structure. Bicyclic terpenoids, they contains two rings in the structure. Tricyclic terpenoids, they contains three rings in the structure. Tetracyclic terpenoids, they contains four rings in the structure. So, on the basis of ring, you have the classifications: acyclic, monocyclic, bicyclic, tricyclic, and tetracyclic. My friends, now you can see examples of monoterpenoids, acyclic monoterpenoids: mycene, citral, and geraniol. These are the example of acyclic monoterpenoids because there is no cycle. Now monocyclic monoterpenoids: limonene, this one is alpha terpenol, and this one is benitol. Now friends, bicyclic monoterpenoids. You can see these are further divided into three classes. You can see thuzane, kerane, pinene, borane, camphor, non-borane, bornane, bornane, camphane, and non-bornane, isocamphane. So 6 plus 3 member ring and 6 plus 4 member ring and 6 plus 5 member ring. So on the basis of, you see, this 3 and 6 member ring, you can see 6 plus 4 member ring and then 6 plus 5 member ring. So some bicyclic monoterpenoids are camphor and alpha pinene. Now friend, sesquiterpenoids: acyclic sesquiterpenoid, monocyclic sesquiterpenoid, and bicyclic sesquiterpenoids: fransol, zingiberine, this is important compound for you, and cadmium. Diterpenoids: acyclic diterpenoids, phytol, and monocyclic diterpenoids, example vitamin A, retinol. Now friends, isolations of mono and sesquiterpenoids I will discuss from here in our next video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.